In today's lecture, we are describing how to download Chrome in PC and how to install. So let's start. So search here Google Chrome and then search. Click here. Yeah, click here or click. So this click here and download here. Download Chrome and I click here. So I wanna download this one. So it's very easy. If not started downloading, so click here download Chrome manually or click here download Chrome. So click here. So download is started. So I check for control J. So check it this are downloaded. Show you your folder. So check it. So double click here. Google updates it. Yes. So waiting for downloading. So depending on your Google account and also internet. So how it work? So check it, download it, complete it. So waiting for installation. So this is downloaded. So you start this one. So thanks for watching.